Hey guys, this is Michael with Eurofit Charlotte. This is Omari. Today we're working on a 2018 Porsche GT3 RS.
Today we're going to be installing the Dundon Motorsport MEGAPHONE exhaust system with race headers, known as a crack pipe. This would be one of three installed on a 911.2.
So stay tuned, we got some sound clips coming. We're doing full race headers. This thing's gonna be loud.
First we're going to give you guys a sound test of before and after. Okay guys, with the Shockworks exhaust system with stock headers removed, we're going to get into installing the Dundon Motorsport race headers and then on to the exhaust. Alright guys, we're all finished up. We got the Dundon Motorsport race headers and exhaust system installed. About to do the second sound test.